So in this video I am going to show you how to add zoom effect in your video like this. So to start you have to click on video where you want to add the zoom effect. So I am going to put zoom effect to this video, so I will click on it, and then you have to click on inspector mode, which you can see here. Click on it, and then you need to set this playhead from where you want to add the zoom effect. So I want my video to zoom from this point, so I will set it like this, and then I will just press on this keyframes, or you can see diamonds right here. You have to click on them, and then you will able to see this icon. You have to click on it, and from now you can able to see all keyframes which we are going to put here. So now I want to add the zoom effect from this point, so I will just move my playhead to this point, and now we will zoom the video and then reposition this. So we will just make the bird in the center. So our bird is in the center, and this kind of zoom I want. So first step is done, and then now second step is to zoom out this video. So we will going to zoom out this video from this point. So we will just set the plate here like this, and then we have to again press on these keyframes. So just press on them. Now move the playhead a little bit and copy the first keyframe. To copy you have to click on the keyframe first like this, and press Ctrl C on your keyboard and press Ctrl V like this. So this is how you can just copy the keyframes. So now our zoom effect is ready, and if you like this video, please consider subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.